2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 13,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.